Okay, so say you want to play N64 games on your Bizhawk for RTC because you just want to, corrupt games for your N64. So you go here, you place the file right there. And see, the game plays normal for a little bit. But once you get to the actual game, it freezes just like this. Well, here we have a quick and simple fix. This can be easily fixed with a little bit of maneuvering, but let's start. Okay, so first you want to close out of your, damn it, hold on. So you want to close out of your Bizhawk, and you want to open up your RTC launcher right here. Okay, I don't know what that was, but you want to go back here, you want to click here. And then you're going to see Bizhawk Legacy Vanguard N64 compatibility. So you want to download that. So let's see, it's downloading right now. Should be finished soon. There we go. Now we have this. Okay, so just want to launch it. Just wait for the thing to connect. And there you go. You've currently gotten a legacy version of Bizhawk that has N64 compatibility. So right now you can just open this up, drag and drop your game in, and let's go to the game. And now you can see that the game perfectly works. See if you can fast forward. So you can fast forward right here. Don't worry about that. And see, now your N64 game works. So now you can corrupt your games at free will with an N64 emulator thing. I don't know. So I hope this helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.